Hello and welcome to my website again. I'm so grateful that you guys stopped by again. So thanks for coming. I'm still giving you the fast and simple ways to make money along with Super Affiliate Network. Let's get started. Now, this is something new. I'm giving you also the free ways that you can look up to make money fast and simple. So you can get a free $10 Amazon gift card. Just look on the site to get it. And it's really, really easy to get started as well. You can shop over 1,900 top online retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Target, on the website. You can redeem your points for gift cards, travel miles, and more from over 75 top retailers, restaurant, and travel partners. You can sign up for free gift cards. Ebates will give you a $10 gift card when you sign up and earn your first cashback rebate. It's great for online shoppers. Now, Ebates is free to use, and I'm sure a lot of you, might already know about this. But it's good for the ones who don't. Okay? You just visit the Ebates website and click through to the store you want to shop at. If you buy from the store, Ebates gets a commission that they'll split with you. It's an easy way to save. A cook. Now, if you love to cook, you can become a chef. Go to people's houses and cook for them. Now, College Friend makes the most beautiful cookies and find events to sell them all year long. Birthdays, holidays, football parties. The list is endless. Some people love to cook and bake. If this is you, consider running a catering business from your kitchen. Bake cakes or cookies for birthday parties, dinners, or other events. Make sure to abide by the food safety laws and have fun. Now, there are many moms who don't have time to make homemade food for bake sales and parties, and families who want a holiday feast without the trouble. Now, we're back on Boot Camp 5, and again, this will be over very, very soon. So let's continue with the Boot Camp 5. And you probably like traveling the world and enjoying new experiences and want that to be an option. I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm also guessing that you don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest in your business in order to get it off the ground. Am I right? I thought so. The good news for you is that just like for me, affiliate marketing absolutely can create your breakthrough and do it very, very, very quickly. Now, the bad news for you is that with most every high-ticket affiliate marketing program that I know of, you can't earn true hands-free income. Excuse me. Income that comes in due to other people's efforts, like you can with traditional multi-level marketing. And as a result, you can't ever truly attain mass leverage in your business. The leverage of earning off 10, 20, 50, 100, or even 1,000 people's efforts. But as one of my mentors says, whenever there's a hole in the marketplace, whenever there's something missing, there's also a massive opportunity. Online travel agent, do you explore travel websites like Expedia in your free time? Then do it for a commission by offering your services as an alternate to travel agencies. Start at WikiHow for tips to get started. You can even review stuff. Write a review and earn anything between $1 and $50 per review according to the requirement. Yep can give you some special invites. Change your search engine, Do you use Google or Yahoo to search for something on the net? Now leave them behind and opt for the Bing search engine. Conduct your regular searches on Bing, make it your default search engine, and earn credits that can be redeemed for gift cards. You can earn as much as $5 to $10 per month. Now here's a tip. Just stay signed in when you perform a search. Another option is Nielsen Digital Voice. Digital Voice is a part of Nielsen, the big company that publishes TV ratings. Just surf the web and you may be able to start earning money. You can shop online and earn cash back. Sites like Fat Wallet pay you back when you shop at their store. This can mean discounts for you or simply cash back deals. Sorry, my online visitors. It's over. I know, right? Now you can click or copy the link. If you copy, you have to put it in a new search page and pull it up, and it's just more info on the super affiliate network that you can learn more about before you even subscribe or join. Okay, for $1. I need you to subscribe to my video. I need you to like my video and also share my video. Okay, thanks again and goodbye.